1. China's energy transition, solar, storage and efficiency amid heatwaves. 2. Meeting global demand for cool products, inside Chinese manufacturing. 1. China's energy transition, solar, storage and efficiency amid heatwaves. China's energy crossroads, navigating the heatwave-driven demand surge and grid vulnerabilities to seize investment opportunities in solar, storage, and efficiency technologies. Victor Hale. Thursday, July 17, 2025, 2:05 a.m. Eastern Time. 5-minute read. The summer of 2025 has become a defining moment for China's energy sector. Record-breaking heatwaves, with temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius in regions like Hubei and Shaanxi, have driven national electricity demand to a staggering 1.47 billion kilowatts, a 150 million kilowatt surge from 2024. This unprecedented strain on the grid has exposed vulnerabilities in China's energy infrastructure while illuminating opportunities for strategic investors in solar, energy storage, and efficiency technologies. With policy momentum behind decarbonization targets, now is the time to capitalize on the intersection of grid resilience and the energy transition. But here's where it gets controversial: the grid's reliance on coal, still supplying 75% of electricity, has proven insufficient to meet surging demand. Gas-fired generation, hamstrung by uncompetitive pricing, contributed only 2% to the mix in 2024. Meanwhile, renewable energy, though growing at 23% annually, faces intermittency challenges. A 2025 study estimates that each degree Celsius temperature rise increases power outages by 0.1%, with prolonged heatwaves extending outage durations by up to 8.3%. These risks are prompting an urgent shift toward distributed energy solutions and grid modernization. And this is the part most people miss: China's policymakers are responding decisively. The National Development and Reform Commission, NDRC, has set aggressive targets, including a carbon intensity drop below 500 g CO2/kWh, achieved in 2025 for the first time, and a 2030 peak carbon goal. Subsidies for rooftop solar, tax breaks for energy storage, and mandates for energy-efficient air conditioners, e.g., requiring SEER 10+ ratings, are creating a fertile ecosystem for clean energy investments. The government's 14th Five-Year Plan allocates $500 billion to renewables and grid upgrades, prioritizing solar, wind, and smart grid infrastructure. Additionally, the Renewable Energy Law, 2023 revision, mandates utilities to prioritize renewables, ensuring stable returns for developers. Investment opportunities in solar and storage. Solar power, the low-hanging fruit. Solar is the most scalable and cost-effective solution to grid strain. China's solar capacity reached 1,080 gigawatts in 2025, but distributed solar, rooftop systems, community projects, remains underpenetrated. With 3 cents per kilowatt-hour solar costs and feed-in tariffs, investors can target firms like JinkoSolar, JKS, or Trina Solar, which dominate PV panel manufacturing. Energy storage, the grid's new battery. Solar's intermittency demands storage. China's lithium-ion battery production capacity grew 40% in 2024, and the government aims for 100 gigawatts of storage by 2030. Firms like contemporary Amperex Technology, CATL, and BYD are leaders in battery tech, while distributed storage systems, e.g., Tesla Powerwall analogs, are gaining traction in residential markets. Energy efficiency technologies and smart grids. Smart air conditioning, cooling the grid, not the planet. Air conditioning accounts for 31% of peak demand growth. Investors should look to companies like Media Group and Gree Electric, which are pioneering AI-driven ACs that reduce energy use by 20 to 30%. Beijing's CATL mandate ensures these upgrades will dominate the $100 billion HVAC market. Industrial efficiency, the overlooked frontier. Heavy industries, steel, cement, consume 60% of China's electricity. Upgrades to electric arc furnaces, heat pumps, and industrial IoT platforms, e.g., Honeywell Smart Industrial Solutions, can slash emissions while boosting profit margins. Risks and considerations. Economic volatility. A slowdown in construction or manufacturing could reduce demand growth. Policy execution. Local implementation of national targets can lag. Trade tensions. U.S. tariffs on solar panels and batteries remain a wildcard. Conclusion. Align with China's energy future. The heatwave-driven grid strain has crystallized a clear path forward. Solar, storage, and efficiency technologies are the pillars of China's energy transition. Investors who back these sectors, whether through equities, e.g., CATL, JinkoSolar, ETFs, e.g., Guggenheim Solar ETF, TAI, or infrastructure funds, will benefit from a $1.2 trillion market by 2030. While short-term volatility exists, the long-term trajectory is undeniable. China's grid must evolve to survive climate-driven extremes, and the companies enabling this shift will reap the rewards. Investment recommendation. Overweight solar and battery stocks, e.g., CATL, JinkoSolar. Allocate to distributed energy solutions, rooftop solar plus storage. Underweight coal utilities as policy and market forces squeeze margins. The energy transition is no longer optional, it's the only way to power China's future. What do you think? Are you ready to invest in China's energy future, or do you have concerns about the risks and challenges ahead? 2. Meeting global demand for cool products, inside Chinese manufacturing. The world is getting hotter, and China is cooling it down. Inside the bustling workshop of Dongguan JHS Electrical Co. Ltd., a leading manufacturer of mobile air conditioners and dehumidifiers in Dongguan, South China's Guangdong province, the hum of machines fills the air as workers swiftly assemble, inspect, and package products. In early July, a total of 458 portable air conditioners roll off the production line, neatly boxed and ready for export to Mexico. As sweltering heat waves grip many regions around the world, China's summer economy is gaining momentum, with domestic manufacturers racing to meet soaring overseas demand for cooling solutions. But here's where it gets interesting. China's portable air conditioner manufacturers are not just meeting demand, they're also innovating and expanding their global reach. With operations spanning over 40 countries and regions, Dongguan JHS Electrical has established itself as a major player in the global cooling equipment market. According to Gao Yueping, the company's chairman, our portable air conditioners are independently developed, compact in size, energy efficient, and offer strong cooling performance. Compared to traditional wall-mounted units, they are more cost-effective to install and far more portable. And this is the part most people miss. Overseas demand has exceeded the company's expectations this year. By the end of April, its orders for portable air conditioners had surged 10% year-on-year, according to data from Huangpu Customs. With a new 80,000 square meter factory becoming fully operational earlier this year, Dongguan JHS Electrical expects total orders in 2025 to exceed 2.3 million units, generating an estimated output value of 1.6 billion yuan, $223.02 million. But what about